cool. All right, y'all. We got the U.S. session about to open up. Let's go ahead and go live on YouTube. Let me tell you why we have to conquer Wall Street. Why, buddy? Let's talk about it. Okay, cool. Okay, real quick, anybody looking at any specific pairs? Anything you're looking at right now? Anything you got your eyes on? I'm super excited. So yeah, we got to go over some things. Let's go into it. I know this right here is considered day 7 of this 30-day challenge. Let me go ahead and record this. Yeah, peace and blessings to the tribe. What's up, everybody? Thank you again for being here for this 30-day challenge. I'm super excited to jump back into it. Yeah, I think this is day 7. I know we did 3 the first week, 3 the second week. And yesterday we did not do a day. So today's day 7, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm excited to jump into this. Yes, it's a weird week to be trading. We had red focus Monday. We had more news yesterday, which was Tuesday, and that was Wednesday. And yes, Sherelle, we have more red folders. So what a week. All right, what a challenge that we have on our hands. I don't know why, what it is, but maybe it's because it's October going into November, that Q3 going into Q4. It's really Q4 now. So maybe we're getting a lot more news coming out, but I was not expecting this much news throughout this challenge. So it's okay. We got to go with what we got, but we halfway through the challenge. And the first week, I was really, really, really patient, really risk adverse, took my time, and, you know, things went well, went smooth. We came up about 4 or 5%. Second week, I got a little bit more risky, a little bit more aggressive, and we ended up losing some, right? And then on Friday, I jumped into a trade, which goes totally against my trading plan, ended up losing 2 more trades. So being risky put us back down into the hole. Now here we are in week 3, and we got week 4 next week. We got 2 weeks left, and we're going into NFP week as well. So yeah, the odds are stacked against us right now, right? So it's really feeling like the trading games. It's feeling like the finals, and we got a lot up against us. So we got to really go all the way in. So right now, what I'm going back and forth with, thank you, is do we want to be more aggressive for week 3 or play it safe for week 3? Because like we about to go over here and check out the news. We got NFP week coming as well. So yeah, it's really about what do we really want to do here. So we're gonna see. We got some time to think about it. We're gonna look at the markets. We're gonna check out these red folders, and we're gonna start weighing these things. Now, to my people who not doing this challenge with me, who just regular trading, don't feel forced to make the same moves that I make. Remember, this is a challenge, okay? We're just trying to pass a challenge. This is not something we're gonna do on a live account. You know, this is a demo account that I'm trading on, okay? When we say cause this is not a live account. For real. So this is a test account, demo account. You know, this is fake money I'm playing with, but I am trying to win this challenge. So no doubt about that. But just throwing it out there, just so we just want to remember what we're doing here, right? This is a challenge. I don't want nobody to be like, take these practices that you might see over this month and run with it, okay? Yeah, I know we don't teach this kind of like risky craziness at Unlock, okay? So we're having fun. This is the trading games, okay? It's a fun element to it, but it should be educational too, okay? If that makes sense, do me a favor, type of Unlock in the chat so I know we all good, we're on the same page. Okay, can't do dark and straight. Okay, thank you all. Thank you all. Yeah. So let's go ahead and start checking out some of this news. Then we're gonna come back. So a few things I want to talk about. We got a couple hours. today, maybe about 90 minutes, maybe 2 hours to kick it. So let's see how that goes. Today is Wednesday, the 26th. 26, yeah, come on. There you go. Yeah, so we got some Canadian red folders about to hit. US just had some news come out a little earlier. It wasn't big folders, but you know, any chance to move the markets, they will move the markets. US dollar got like an orange folder, so it's like medium impact. Some more little US news coming out, nothing crazy, but be careful. It's 10:30. And then 11, we got another Canadian folder. The thing about Canadian folders is they can sometimes affect the Europe market and the American market because they are so closely related, okay? So let's keep our eye on that around these times, 10 a.m., 10:30, 11. So that whole 10 to 11 slot, we might just want to kind of fall back, okay? And I got a plan. I want to show you actually a little bit of some back testing techniques that I've been doing, and I want to also put y'all onto that. So we could talk about that today. And then let's look at next week's news. We started this challenge on the 11th of October. So the goal was to go to about the 11th of November. So we still got the rest of this week, next week as well. And then, okay, so we got a nice amount of time. Let me make sure that's 30 days. That's 7, 14, 21. Yep, 28, and then 29, 30. So about the 10th or 11th we got to. That makes sense. The 10th is cool because we don't really trade on Fridays anyway. But if we need a bonus day, then go for it. We'll go for it. But I'm gonna definitely try to reach that 10th. So this week coming up, let's look at it. We got the JOLTS ISM. Yeah, non-farmers payroll. So yeah, that's all next week. We got the non-farmers payroll. And then we still got like another week over here. So, okay, we got some time. We got a little bit of time. So I'm not gonna go crazy aggressive right now. Okay, not gonna go crazy aggressive because we still got that week. But next week is just gonna be really tricky, really tricky. And then, yeah, then even that next week, we got CPI data on Thursday. Tuesday, we got some congressional elections. I'm not sure what that's going to really do for us, but it is a red folder. So we'll see. Okay. Peace to the members over on YouTube. Appreciate y'all. All right, cool. So now with that being said, I'm gonna put on some little light music. Nothing too crazy. See if we can get something. See if we get some soulful music on. Y'all hear my music? Let me know if you can hear that. Type of 1 if you hear that. Okay, no go on the music. Okay. If you want to hear it, type of 1. I can make sure y'all can hear it. But let me go ahead and open up my challenge chart. Okay, now you hear it. Okay. Okay, is it overpowering me? Just want to make sure it's not overpowering me. A bit, yes, yeah. They don't give me no control. Let me see. Oh, yes, they do. There we go. Okay. Okay, cool. All right, okay, so, yo, I don't know if y'all been trading those signals or not, but man, oh man, have been hitting. They have been hitting. Okay, cool. So I'm over here. I'm on US 30 right now. GU hit both TPs. Ooh, yes, it did. AU did some tricky stuff too. So I'm not sure if y'all noticed how this strategy worked, the breakout and the bounce. But pretty much, where is it at? T.bot will send you a signal. It will send you a signal for, well, she will send you a signal for a buy and a sell in some situations, right? In some situations, you might get a buy and a sell signal. And the buy signal may not work. It may activate, but then lose, but then it goes right into the sell signal. So if you put them both in, you actually get a chance to take advantage of both. So this was 7:45. Oh no, it was last night. So this was the sell signal, and this one's doing pretty great. Looking for the one last night. Ooh, yeah, the markets was moving this morning. I don't know what was going on. I woke up to so many notifications. I missed them, but Auto Trader caught them for me, so I was still excited. Okay, here we go right there. So we got a sell signal at 1 o'clock in the morning. Okay. So that was around here somewhere. And the sell signal started, but it didn't do too well. And then it started going into a buy. Man, it was just great. It was so dope. And the sell signal ended up losing though. That was the thing. So I ended up losing like $700 on the sell signal. But then the buy signal activated and ended up winning like 2K. It was a nice reverse. So I always tell people, I told you that in the indicator guide, if the sell loses, still go for the buy, and you might be able to go 1 for 2 for the buy, 1 for 3. That means it's really ready to reverse. So right now, here goes a signal. I really like this. So let's focus real quick. Might find some good trading setups. This is really one of my favorite trades to do. Might have missed this one right here. So T-Bot was telling us to get in right here, take profit down here, entry right around that point. It's decent. I don't like this trend line right here, but I do see this M pattern. See that M pattern right there? So that's a possible trade right here, but what we do got to worry about is this trend line that's coming up. That's a problem. That's a problem right there. So let's wait that out. It's not rushing to that. Let's see if we can get this thing to break here, retest, and then continue downwards. And then we can jump in. But what I said I wanted to focus on was just trading my setup. Okay, my favorite setup to do is bounces off the floor and bounces off the ceiling. So right now, it looks like we do have a nice ceiling bounce coming. Look like we got a nice ceiling bounce happening right here. But we got to see where we want to ride this thing to, actually. And we got a dark cloud. This is AU, just so you know what we're looking at. We got a real dark cloud, which let me know that this market is looking to reverse. All right, let me go ahead and I'm going to clean up this chart. I'm gonna go to the 1 hour real quick. And just want to do some quick analysis, see where we at, see where we headed. That's our top ceiling. This is our top, this is our bottom floor. And then we start seeing some higher lows. So I'm gonna mark those too. Okay, we got a little bit of rejection right here. Yeah, so this market right here might not be ready to come back down. It may just be doing a pullback before it continues back into this range. Because as you see, we got this breakout right here. Okay. Got that breakout. So remember, with these signals, just always do your top-down analysis. Make sure you want to know where the overall market structure is at. Okay. Remember, we T.bot is trying to get you in and out of the market, give you some great quick trades. But you do have to go back and just zoom out a little bit and make sure you understand the overall market structure. So this right here just showed me that this thing might be ready to break out and explode up. We got a little pullback happening. So let's keep our eye on it and see where it's going. Let me draw a trend line to see if we got anything. Looking for 3 touch points. I don't really see 3. Maybe something like this. We've been getting a lot of news. So you see all these spikes. All these little things right here, the circle, those are just those areas where the news just came out and just shot the market down. Maybe not this one, but definitely this one over here and this one over here. Okay, so that's doing that. And if I go down to like the 15-minute, let me see if I can find another trend line. Almost. This was a trap we was in right here. It broke out of that trap. Now we exploding up. So let's keep our eye over here on AU, okay? Canadian dollar is getting some negative news today, so let's not even think about trading this right now. I'm not negative news, getting red folders. So let's not think about trading that. And look how that looks. We don't want to trade that anyway. Y'all should be able to quickly go to a chart, identify that it's in a consolidation, draw your trap, and decide if you want to wait for it to break out or not. What I don't like about this is that you see all this extra stuff over here and extra stuff over here. one of those got to get fulfilled. We don't know which one is going to be. Is it going to go to the top or go to the bottom? Right? That's a form of imbalance. And it's probably just because of news that we got Friday. But yeah, let's just stay out the way of that for now. Okay. Fake outs. Yeah, yeah, cool. Y'all with me? That makes sense? Okay, let me go to my 30-day challenge watch list. Focus and see what we got going on over here. Yeah, that went crazy. So this is the trade we called out. What was this? When did we start drawing this? Thursday. Oh, this is what I got caught in Friday. So we said Thursday. Remember we said this was, let me take this off right here so you can see it. So pretty much we said this market was in a wedge. It was like one up and then also coming down. And we said we waited for the market to break down, pull up, and then continue down. It tricked us out. It went down a little bit before it actually shot all the way up. And it did the first thing we said it was going to do, which was breakout and then a retest back or sort of the top. Okay. But it's cool. Remember, as long as you draw your setups, you catch them both. You still can catch them both. You might lose in one and the next one will be way bigger. So if you lose 1% on this trade, you can most likely go for 2 or 3% on the next one that you on the opposite direction. So this is looking good. It's pushing up. Let's check it out. A little bit of a consolidation happening right here. That's pushing a lot. You see it? Off of the trend line too. So what will be good to see here is a little break out of this consolidation zone, little retest before going back in. Let's see if we get any signals. Oops. Oh, yep, a little bit right there. Okay, there go that retest. I wanted to take this trade, it would be a 279. US market just opened up too. Sheesh, we called that out. That's crazy. 1-7. 1-7. Wow. So remember on this account, daily drawdown is 5%. You can't go down more than 5% in a day. And overall drawdown is 12%. Can't go down more than 12% a day. This market right here looked pretty destined to go up, but we know what happens. They like to play games, put us into that drawdown. It's pushing up for us. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for a nice push up, pull back before jumping in. Go check out AU again. Here we go. It's that bounce we was talking about, we was waiting for. Oh, I like UJ. All right, let's keep our eye on UJ. Look like it might get a push back up. US 30. Good, looking good. Okay, so this was an example of what I meant about these signals. So let's look at 730. Check out these signals, T.buy cent. And we'll see So boom, 7:30. We got a long saying get it at 147.58 for a bounce. So if it does go into a bounce direction, look for it to go that way. Like we always tell you in the indicator guide, is if this take profit point is outside of this trend line, you probably don't want to take that trade. Okay. So be careful with that. But it also sent us a sell signal. Here we go. We're saying do a short at 146.70, which is right here. Okay, so UJ is in a real sticky situation, which is good. This is that triangle. This is the bottom that we like. I'm hoping to see it bounce up. I would rather trade the bounce, but it don't look like it's ready just yet. A lot of consolidation happening now here on this floor. And that's the key thing about the signals too. When they come through, anything can change after a signal comes. Okay, anything can change. So when this signal came, if the market would have kept going down, we'd have been great, and our stop loss could have been set around here. But now, as you see, the market pulled back up and made almost a new high over here. So that analysis is definitely key. Okay, boom, there we go. So it broke out. It's coming back down in here. This might be that retest we was waiting for. Let's wait it out and see what happens. You're cold. Oh, sound like it.
Listen, I wasn't going to speak on it.
Oh,
The solidity course. Yeah.
When I hear solidity, I just hear 500 a year. That's all I hear. 500 a year. For real. If I go back into the job market, it's gonna be for solidity.
Listen,
I would take that. Like, yeah,
remote.
we remote. Remote. For real. That's a no-brainer right there. For real. I was looking at what's the name jobs too one day. Algo trading jobs, like working for Wall Street firms. I was like, yo, they gonna pay a bunch of bread. And two, I'm like, I wonder what kind of insight I can get working there. But I stepped away because I was like, what if they make me sign some kind of non-competition? You can't build. I ain't with it. I read Flash. Yeah, what if it's already built? Yeah, you can. And Flash Boys, they literally, Goldman Sachs went and arrested this dude for downloading code, for downloading it onto his computer that he wrote.
You know, we can do that.
No, yo, because he was on an airplane. That joint landed. They said, yo, you coming with us. They sent the feds. I said, yo, he was mad. So that's, oh no, they don't want to, no, not enough. And yeah, he was one of them too. So I'm like, oh no. Pull it back. That's looking good, looking good. All right, y'all, feeling poised again, feeling real patient. Last week, we was aggressive. We was out here just sniping, gunning and trying to beat the markets. Remember, y'all, blend with the trend, okay? Blend with the trend. Just get in and get out of their way. Okay, cool. Coming back up. $10 a.m. Another one of these. Let's see what we're gonna do over here. Okay, UJ still consolidating. AU playing games. Okay, gold. It's a clean W for real. On the M5, okay. Off the AMA 200. Crossing the EMA 20. We got a lot of room up here to go to get back up to this area. What does the risk to reward look like? Ooh, kind of tight, but not that bad. It's 1-1.
That's gold too.
It's gold. Ooh. Yo, why you gotta say it like that? It's gold too.
Because you know it's gonna be.
Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna chill. We said we not gonna be risky today, so I would have to be down here to feel good about gold. It did go up a little bit. Let me see. It did go up here, made a new high. It's close. EMA 200 looking real supportive. We go down here and check. Oh, it's still underneath the EMA 20 over here. Nah, this could be a always zoom out. Jeez, this could just be this. That could be a trend line break, retest before continue right back down. Now you messing with gold. It's looking good, y'all. Looking good. If we can go back above that high, we should be okay. First you fall and you run when you hear my big gun. A big update on Owanda for people who trade with the Owanda broker. You can now trade crypto through Owanda, which is really dope, but only through the mobile app. Only through the mobile app. They have not added it to the web yet, or the MetaTrader yet, but through the mobile app, you can do it. I don't know if you could do it through the API, through the code. I don't think so, but I'm looking into it. Also, you only can do it with a live account. You can't do it with a demo account. So that's pretty cool though, because I definitely want to get Auto Trader to work on crypto. And Owanda it only has Forex pairs for US residents right now. So it's cool that they add in cryptocurrency. Hopefully they can add indices soon. And then it'll be all the way lit. Okay, it's coming up, y'all. It's coming up. GU, we got to buy for at 8 o'clock, 1591. That's a pretty cool trade. I like that. This is that flag pattern we talked about before. Coach, can you explain what the light and dark gray clouds mean? Yes. Yep. Got you, L dot. 1 second. Checking out these fake outs. We'll set an alert real quick. And then also across this right here too. All right, so I'm gonna just go back. I'm gonna do like a little replay. So you have to actually see this in real time. Let me take off some of this. Maybe the EMA 9, get rid of that. Get rid of this. Keep that on. Okay, cool. So let's just say we in this market right here. Obviously, this market is just consolidating kind of crazy. This is UJ. Oh, what's going on? Okay, UJ, this was from Tuesday, so yesterday. So let's check this out. And we're just gonna go through the play mode and see what started happening and see what happens once those clouds start popping up. I highly suggest y'all back test like this too. A lot. Oh, here goes one right here. Let me go back a little bit. Oops. All right, cool. So this was, almost there. Oh, it was quick. It left. It wasn't really a cloud. And we on a 1 minute time frame too. Okay, here we go. So a light cloud means that the market is like really, really trending a lot, and it could keep on going down, or you could start looking for reversal opportunities too. So as soon as I see a cloud, I'm looking for like different patterns, like different kind of reliable pattern setup. So that could be like a M or a W. We talk about those a lot. Those are my favorite to look for. Or you can look for like floor breakouts or retest area, like a floor breakout and a retest. So here, this was like a pretty strong floor right here. Here goes some more. Let's go all the way back and see. That's a floor here. More back here. Seems like it's coming back to this area a lot. Okay. This right here was at 8:19 yesterday morning. Let's go check it out. See what happened yesterday morning. 9 o'clock news. I don't know. It looked like nothing crazy was on the schedule, but something made the market just move wild at 8:19. So go figure on that right there. So it wasn't any red folder news that we knew about. Something obviously happened. A quick pump and dump happened real quick. The market shot back up. But this is our area of support around here. So we also get in a gray cloud. So it's either about to really break through that area and keep on going down, or we're going to see a reversal start to happen. It's going to go back up. Now, with the gray cloud, first thing I like to do is start to draw my trend line to see what kind of market are we in? Are we more in a bullish or bearish market? Right here, we see that we're more bearish. Okay, the market has been making lower highs. So just try to see if you can get you a little trend line, even if it's not perfect yet, just see where we at. So overall, I'm seeing more bullish behavior. It's at this floor. It already broke through this floor once, pull it back up, which makes me think that it wanted to go down, but maybe it came to just do some stop hunting real quick, just to come steal some people money right here who think it's about to be a buy, but it's really not. So it went back up. It came back down to this floor. We get a light gray cloud, which lets us know it's trending. So we can start looking for more sell opportunities, okay? As the cloud gets really, really dark, we can start looking for reversal opportunities. But as we see it starting to break out this floor, so it's really about you just trying to figure out, when do you want to get in? And for me, yesterday, this just would have been too tricky around 9 o'clock, market opening up, a lot of wick behavior going on, but it looks more bearish. It looks like they want to make the market go down. UJ crossing down. Oh, shoot, there we go. 1 second. I'll come back to that explanation in a hot second. And there we go right there. So shoot. 10 o'clock. Market pumping crazy. We're not gonna be able to, am I gonna catch that? I don't know if we can catch that right there. Wow, that's moving quick. This is a continuation for what we just was talking about yesterday. 62. 23, 2.3. Oh, and there go US 30. So I'm gonna focus on US 30 instead of that UJ trade, because we already had this geared up and ready. But keep your eyes on UJ if you was looking at that, or that signal that T.Bot sent. Think here it goes. Look like it's pumping up. It's, you see that? Something's weird. It's still even a gap right there. I'm gonna go for it though. Why not, right? It's the trading games. But something just happened in the market. 10 o'clock hit. I know we had some news about to come. So let's see if we can jump in real quick, ride this up. It came right into our area. But something is definitely looking weird. I think the market just moved so quick, Trading View can't even keep up with it. How can I get that cloud indicator? Yeah, so we have a link. We emailed it to the members and told you get a 50% off. So check your email for that. And I'll drop the link below. Oh, Nicole already beat us to it. So Nicole dropped the link right there. Put an indicator right here. It's $99 a month or $9.99 a year. And then you get half off if you member. Okay. What time frame do you make your decisions? On a 5 minute and 1 minute. 5 minute and 1 minute. Yeah, y'all see that gap right there? The market shot up. There's some weirdness. See what UJ is doing. Uh-oh, it retested. Might be coming back down. Yeah, news. See what it did. Let's see if it actually dropped. Oh, there go the new home sales news. Came out positive. Canadian dollar got red on their news. Interest rates. So let me stay focused over here on US 30, and then we're gonna jump back into those clouds too. Send me a little alert. I set an alert in case it come down, so that let me know to just start looking for exits on my stop loss. Is this a 1-on-1 trade? Or this is a 1-to-2 trade right here. So let me see, 1-to-1 be right here. So I'll put like a little something that says TP. Take partials at TP1. It's gonna be TP2. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna come back to that, but I want to keep focused on this explanation right here. So once again, the cloud, the light gray cloud, meaning the market's probably about to start trending more. And it's a lot of volume in the market at that time, a lot of movement. So you could probably make some quick money, get in and out of there. But what I like to look for, like I said, is some reliable patterns. So here we got a breakout of the floor that we was talking about. And now it looks like it's trying to do like a, kind of like a breakout retest before continuing down. So if that's the case, that usually to me looks like an M pattern too. So you might actually see like a little M start to get built somewhere over here, like a double top at the ceiling. So you might want to look for an entry point somewhere beneath this area here. Okay. And if it starts to go back up, we still got this downwards trend line coming. So you want to look for entries above this line. We also got this EMA 200. So we want to see if that can come down, get in there. Okay. Making sense so far, LDOT, or everybody else who's listening? We got the gray cloud, say the market is trending, and we're trying to see if it's going to actually continue to trend or wait for it to, or if it's going to actually reverse. I used to forget about waiting for the retest. Thanks for the reminder. Yes, it's important because that's just that trick. It's a retest. That's what we call it. But really, it's like they're going to try to get some people out of the market. So they're going to go back, try to hit some stop losses, or some people just going to sell. They're going to make their money because some people honestly been in the market since right here. Okay, some people already been in the market since around this area. It bounced off of this trend line. So when the market goes down into this floor again, they ride it for a little bit, then they start taking profits. So that means people who were selling, they have to buy to get out of the market. So when you see those buy orders start coming in, the market starts to go back up. Okay. So sometimes it's manipulation, but sometimes it's just people taking their profits. All right. So you see, looking kind of M-ish. Not beautiful, but it's looking like that double top kind of happening here. And I can kind of outline what I'm seeing here. Up, down, up, down. You see, that's kind of a M pattern there. Okay. And then that floor breakout we talked about is a big red candle, just went right into that area. And we still got this gray cloud. Okay, still got the gray cloud. So it's definitely given it want to continue trending down to the bottom. So at that point, if you wanted to set up an entry area, you can do something like this, stop loss probably above the EMA 20 or above the recent high, something like that. And you can go for one, or you can go further down 1 to 2. You see, once it get there, what it do? Boom, there we go. That's 1 to 1. That'd have been TP1 already. But already look too, we going into a darker cloud. So personally, I would be like, I'm taking my 1 to 1. I might take like partials and take most of the money out of the market and get out the way. Okay. And then let the rest just kind of go, because it might keep going down. It's trending heavy, so it actually might continue to go down. But that dark cloud is letting us know like this joint is really, really trending. So be careful. That's 1 to 1. 1 to 2 will be down here. So you can let your partials ride down to 1 to 2 if you want. Boom, it hit that beautifully. So that was great too. So now you got 1 to 1 totally, also got to 1 to 2. And then it could have also went down to 1 to 3 too. Okay. So yeah, this indicator is super and it's quick. That's the thing about it, it's speed orientated. So it's definitely letting you know, it ain't like you just about to play around and be like, I'm about to be in this cloud for a while. No, if it don't hit quick, something's probably wrong. And look, this is on a 1 minute time frame. So we got in at 9:06. You was at 1 to 3 by 9:17. So 10, 11 minutes, right? So shouldn't be looking for too much craziness. Speaking of, okay, it's going back into profit for us, going into profit, and then UJ. Cool. All right, yeah. So it's prime time right now. We finally getting some activity. That cloud rocks. Wow. Yeah. Okay, cool. Glad you get it. Did you execute that trade over here? No. Yesterday, remember, I was supposed to be live trading together with y'all. I was stuck in traffic. I was stuck in traffic, so I didn't do this personally, but Auto Trader might have caught it. I can catch it. Auto Trader catch so many trades, so many trades. It's wild. But it would have been cool to catch this together. It would have been real cool. But it's all right. It's new. So here we go. Right here, we got another cloud forming. Same thing we just talked about. It's a light gray. Okay, we got a downwards trend line forming there and another one forming here. Okay, it was at the floor already. We had once again another floor happening. Now it might be doing the same thing we said. Can we get like a little M pattern to build up around here before it comes? Looks familiar, but I don't know. I do like one of those. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. I like this, that the stop loss doesn't have to be that high. It can actually be somewhere around this area. It'll be here for real. Let's see. US 30 is still playing games. Okay. But yeah, so with UJ, we're looking for like a little M pattern build up somewhere around here. We go to the 5 minute to see what we looking like. Light gray. So yeah, trending is probably about to take place. Oh, T-Bot put us in already. Remember that signal we got earlier at 7:30. It's here, stop loss here, entry there. Yeah, we in the profit right now with that. Let's see. Yep, UJ, we in the short and we up 8 pips, 9 pips. 12 pip, 13 pips. Oh yeah, so it's moving right now. 14 pips. Sheesh. Okay, so yeah, I feel real good about that as a sell opportunity. What are we doing? Okay, this was yesterday's market. Let me get out of here. We missed that for the manual trade, so we're not gonna mess with it, but I am trying to see if we got another opportunity to jump in. Just trying to see where a good stop loss would be. That's the only thing. That's the strong red candle. I like that there. It might not come back to that candle. So let's do 55. 1-to-1 will be right around here. Here we go. So 55 pip stop loss. 2.63. 2.63. Okay, that's good too, because the US dollar is going down, US 30 is going up. That's how they usually work. Don't consolidate now. Okay. Okay, there we go, US 30. 14. Yep. Okay. Let me go over here to MetaTrader. 2.63, 2.63, 2.63. Okay, 2.63. So that's 146.52. Might do a pending order, sell stop. 146.52. US 30 is moving pretty good. Okay, I did a sell stop on USD JPY, and I think it's about to pull us in. Could have just did a market order, but let's see. Wow, US 30 is really moving right now. I might as well do this on this account as well. USD JPY. Oh, there it go. Pull this in. Gotta be better. I gotta be better. I got it. Yo, Absol got a new song out. That joint fire. I ain't gonna hold y'all. You ever listen to Absol? Don't play it now.
No, I'm
Yeah,
they ain't about to get him.
yeah. Let's go. What you doing up there, US 30? Right. I mean, this song might explain why. Anybody in any trades? What we looking like, members? Anybody trading? Okay, this market looking like it's trending. Y'all see that cloud starting to form? Come on, there we go. It's a good sign right there. How much we up over here? 126, 179. Ooh, we. Dang, is it 10:20 already? Okay, gotta go get Jay at 12. So Yeah, I'm definitely jumping off by 11, so we can at least give us a good hour. Jump off a little earlier too. See if we can get some profits, y'all. Where's 101? Okay, 101 is up here. Looks so far away. All right, Sherelle's and GJ and UJ took profit on UC on that long candle. Oh, okay. Look at Sherelle around here bouncing around. You ain't playing. Okay, Bounce just took a trade. What you take a trade on? Get on this Wi-Fi. Oh, GJ. But GJ has been kicked out of the challenge, so we can't touch that. AJ doing some things. And then UJ as well. Oh, UJ bouncing. Where you going? What is the criteria for making the challenge list? I was just looking for like more dependable pairs, but also with a little bit of volatility, ones that move. The biggest thing was like which pairs move during the US session, because I knew we would be doing this challenge during the US session. So I was looking for those pairs, and GJ just was too volatile. Gold is another one. Let's see if it ended up doing what. Wow, it did kind of go up. We would have been all right with gold, but it's just another one that's just a little bit too tricky. Dang, we could have took that gold trade though. Come on. I got faith in you, Jay. I got faith. One, two, three, four. We got 4 trades going at Auto Trader. GU is losing. So GU is actually reversing. It's going long, but it's actually coming back down. GJ isn't really moving right now. I ain't even messing with it. Sherelle said, I've been up early analyzing the market, looking for setups. Cool. What's early for you? What time did you wake up? Also, what time zone are you in? Give y'all some visuals. UJ going crazy. Okay, wait, let me set up because we might need to reverse this thing. Oh, you've been up since 4 a.m. Early. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, this is looking good. But that EMA 200 right there. I don't like it. Let's see if this reversed for us. Or if it pushed through. If it pushed through that trend line, we in trouble. Wow, that was a strong rejection off of that trend line. We should be ready. One second, family. Take this call real quick.
Is the priest on?
Yo, the tribe is in here deep. What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody in here? So I had it on mute while I was on this call. And y'all see the market started, this UJ started pushing up. Let's see what US 30 was doing. Yeah, I put this line right here. I would take, our stop loss is way up here, but I would take this out early, honestly.
And you have to sweat like last week.
Yeah, because this is looking weird. You see that? That's a lot of
That's a
movement.
heavy push.
Yeah, it's a heavy push. I'm gonna get out of their way. Get out of their way. Almost close that one too. Do we want to keep US 30 in or take the little profit we got? Let's see what we got going on here. Oh, no, I think
That's a second thing. Okay. All right, so I hit you on Saturday. I appreciate it.
yeah, one thing I learned is that it's sometimes great to cut your losses short. That's something, yeah, cut them losses early. That's really hard to do. But it's a real strong thing to do. Instead of just sitting there and like take the whole loss. It's like something is
you be jumping into multiple trades.
but look at that.
Yeah, that's wild. That was not supposed to go like that.
There we go. So it's crossing. Look for sales.
Bruh.
Oh, I see what's going on. I have moved my line up.
Got it.
Yeah, USD, JPY, no 10. Let me check this out.
All right, Chicago, we're still looking at projects. I'm speaking with Craig about a potential client if I can send his way. He has 2 workers websites that he wants to get washed out. He's developing.
Okay.
It's a lot of generic content on there already.
Okay. Oh, like, oh, he just gonna like update it kind of thing. Okay. Yes.
So I'm having him gather all the specs and then we can push it over to the final. I've been watching the project. He's been doing pretty damn good.
Yeah, for real. He's been consistent.
Yeah. I told him I definitely want to reward him for that. I'll be trying to sing for him. When you come across anybody, let me know.
Clients?
Yeah,
Okay.
anybody that's not like random website.
I'm about to promote it.
Okay.
Tell them we looking. We're accepting clients. See what we looking like. Yeah, let me go to a higher time frame. It's looking cleaner right here. So a little bit of news did come out for the US dollar, crude oil. So could have been something there. Keep my eye on that. One of my favorite setups is coming up. Look at this. Oops, I didn't mean to do that, you know. Wanted to highlight this right here. See that right there? Take this off for a second. Yeah, it's just not ready. I think it's still going to go into a sell. We're going to see what it do. Go up, cool. We can make some money up there. I see a T-Bot sent a great entry signal right here. Stop loss around here, take profit around here. So we'll see. Let's keep our eye on the prize. Megan told me. Oh, was that Adobo? Oh, okay. I'm like, what did we do? Okay. Okay, dark cloud coming right here on M5. So let's keep our eye on that. This thing might really start pushing or start reversing. See what profits we got. We got almost 300. Come on. So if we can. So at this point right here with the dark cloud coming and we in a trade, give it some room to breathe. It may continue to go up further. But if it starts to come down, what I would do is I would just make sure we either break even or take some kind of profits. Don't go into negative in a dark cloud. There you go, US 30, push, push, push.
You're getting your money back.
Yeah, it's the most consistent one. That's what I'd rather do. I mean, UJ too, usually, but UJ it was in a crazy uptrend. And then it fell down. I'm mad I missed that fall because I was waiting for that forever. Ever. I think it fell on a Friday. When did UJ fall? Auto Trader caught it all. It was great. Friday, yeah, 7. I was tight. Like, how the heck? We was waiting for this for a long time. October 6th. So yeah, about 2 weeks. Yo, you're fine. And look, we got the dark gray cloud, and it just came tumbling down. Ooh-wee. That was massive. What was happening Friday? What was going on? I can't remember. Oh, I remember now. Yeah, I had a lot of family stuff. Nova first day, orientation. JJ had a half a day because it was homecoming weekend. So we had to pick her up early. It was mad stuff going on. So I was like, yeah, I'm not looking at the charts today. I feel like we had a team meeting too.
I want to see it.
Yeah, we jumped on something. Yeah, so we're gonna keep our eye on US 30. What might end up happening because of how this has been going, we're gonna get aggressive. We're gonna have to get real aggressive. We're gonna start betting 2%, 3% to see if we could pass this challenge. If I go to my dashboard, we could check that out too in a minute. I think US 30, we probably like 90% win rate on US 30. We only lost 1 trade on that so far. So that's been really great. Now, where we at right now? 400.
Break even for the day.
What was the loss on the other one? 453. Okay. I got that signal Friday too. Oh yeah. Good job, Rihanna, catching that. Cassandra said, how does T-Bot determine when a dark cloud is imminent? Real quick, let me make sure I understand what imminent means. Make sure, because about to happen. Okay.
Just added that to my argument. Thank you.
Yep. Thank you. Because imminent to me always seemed like danger, like it was imminent that he was going to die at the end of the movie, like something like that. It just seemed dramatic. But yeah, dark clouds are pretty dramatic. So yeah, code. I mean, algorithm, Cassandra. I pretty much wrote an algorithm that looks at a few different things. It's hard to explain it, but you coding, so one day, like, I think you'll be able to really understand it. Come on, just go. Just give us that big old push we need. I'm feeling risky right now. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm thinking about jumping and doubling up on this trade right now. So look, that signal right here would have been great.
You saw that?
Pushing, right? Sending another signal. Okay, so we might scale our way in. I'm feeling it. But listen, y'all, I am doing a challenge, okay? I'm doing a challenge. Gotta keep throwing it out here. Like, this is literally not like, listen, if you want responsible trading, come to class Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, okay? We got Jay Barr, who says, what do you say? Think like think like a pro, act like a trader, yeah, okay? Okay, like a pro, okay? Right now, we thinking like challenge testing, okay? Price is Right, Big Brother, Survivor. I was watching something yesterday called The Mole on Netflix. Yeah, people, they take risk, take bigger risk. So just give me a second. I don't know when yet, but I'm looking for a bounce. Looking for a bounce. Yeah, I'm just feeling it. I feel it mustering up. It's like, yo, listen, time is ticking. Also, we're gonna do another challenge next month, but this one we wanted to involve the tribe, and we also got funded mentorship coming. The funded mentorship is gonna be way more strict on rules and more responsible. I'm gonna just say that, more responsible, not like challenging, try to pass this real quick. But we do want to give y'all a challenge where y'all can have fun too. So yeah, I want to do Bears versus Bulls.
Let's get it.
Yeah, Bears versus Bulls. We want to put half of the students on a team of Bears, half of the student on a team of Bulls, and you only can do sell trades, okay? And as a Bear, and as a Bull, you only can do buy trades. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. That's gonna be the fun part. But then the funded mentorship is more responsible. Let's really get these funded accounts. Let's get that money. Okay, you want to do a challenge November 1st? Cool, L. That's good. So if y'all down for Bears versus Bulls, you just type B versus B in the comments so I can know who will be interested in doing that challenge with us. Dang, L. Ayana, like, is we lagging? Like, I get my thoughts first.
Yo, the beat barely came out.
What is happening? I'm confused, like really genuinely confused. Okay. So yeah, let me chill. This is a tight stop loss. Let me find a better stop loss. It's 160. No, I'm gonna listen to T-Bot. T-Bot said get him right here. A little cushion. A little something like that. I'm ready to risk it all. I ain't gonna hold y'all. But I'm not. I'm not. 9,000. Okay.
Mm. Mm.
Yo.
Okay.
Let's see. All right, cool. So Manny down for the Bulls versus Bears. Tanisha, L. Dot, and Bayana. Okay, cool. And we're gonna send some alerts, of course, through email and through Slack too. Troy, is this what you call scalping? Yeah, this is definitely scalping. A form of it. Okay, good. Okay. Let's see if we can get this a good pullback. I wish this EMA 20 was higher up because it might pull back right here.
Don't say that.
Sheesh.
Don't get energy out there.
Okay. I just got a new where I'm jumping out at. So this is the 5 minute. Let me see what it's looking like on the one. How many red candles we got? 3. Okay. And I gotta jump off in like 7 minutes, y'all. So let's see. This is really crunch time. If nothing else, right? Y'all think y'all got education out of this, right? I'm learning about my emotions. I'm doing good. We're taking losses live, so this is good. And then the last piece I was about to add was entertainment. So give y'all some good entertainment with this, right? For real. I'm gonna chop up this clip of me doing something real crazy and I'm gonna post it, whether it go green or red. We're gonna post it either way it go. Yeah, I was doing some research, and on YouTube, the most successful videos are fails. Like, people love to watch other people fail, whether it's a fall, whether it's an incomplete challenge, whether it's like workplace fails.
I can see that. One, because a lot of us always post success.
Yeah.
Not everyone's going to succeed. How did you take the fail? That's what we want to know.
How to take it, right?
Because this is my first time really sitting here with you doing it.
Right.
So my whole thought process is like, how have you been able? I said this last week. I don't know what deodorant is. Because when I trade, I'm sweating like, what?
Yo.
You doing this live with other people. How have you been able to, one, stay calm as a cucumber, but two, continue to jump into more trading?
Right. Because it's a challenge. That's it.
And you taking it as a game.
Yep. I remove my emotions from like, this is like, I know I back test a lot.
But you've also passed challenges.
I've passed challenges before.
So right? you have a certain level of self-confidence that's already there to a certain degree.
Who I'm chilling with, y'all? Who I'm chilling with? Oh,
peace, tribe. Peace,
shout out to
peace,
Coach Greg.
peace.
Y'all see him? Yeah, we just chopping it up. So yeah, you're right. You're right about that. You're right that there's a lot of factors that go into this, y'all. So just be careful when y'all talking this, when y'all trying to get to this level. Yeah. So I passed challenges before. We got other accounts, and we know where we really headed with this. We know what we're doing. Right now, I think overall, this was for y'all. This was for y'all mainly, and I did want to get those emotions in check, though. I did feel some weakness there that I really needed to get going. So I feel like I accomplished that already. This has been really helpful, for real.
So now, how do you instill that to students moving forward when it comes to this challenge?
They got to do their own challenges too. Like people be, you know it, studio, like a lot of y'all are very nervous to mention what y'all doing. A lot of y'all. Sherelle is like, hey, I'm in this, I won or I lost, whatever. Like I love that transparency. And people just need to be more transparent and don't feel like a loss is like determines your self-worth, who you are as a future trader. No, you're getting there. We learning. We all learning as we go along. So just take your lessons, share them, and I guarantee you're gonna learn from it. Like, okay, I'm not gonna do that again. So like one thing you haven't seen me doing a lot of is putting my stop loss like in weird places, because I know that's one of my biggest weaknesses. It's just like randomly like, oh, I'm gonna just put it at the bottom of this entry candle. Like that's it. So dangerous, right? Really, really dangerous. We need to see a real significant pullback. I love that this moving average is in here as well. So if it do push up, we got a couple pieces of cushion to help us out. So say, like, I know you all got your own lessons that y'all want to learn, but you gotta learn them and you gotta talk about them. Somebody was on Slack the other day. I think it was Devin. Devin is somebody who talk about when he lose or win. It was somebody else too, Knowledge Code. A lot of people like been sharing their losses, and that's so key, man. It's so key. Journaling, yeah.
One thing I have been noticing that you haven't been doing, you've been going through your trading plan mentally, like your setup,
right,
this, that, and the third.
Yeah.
Like you go through your whole play by play mental, but you don't actually look at it.
Yeah. And it's only because it's not clean. I need to clean it up. I was supposed to do it 2 days in a row because I want to share it with the tribe. That's it.
So do you think that would be something that is more so on the strict side of the challenge when we do it next month?
Yeah. Oh yeah. If you
must.
A must.
Okay.
Like the funded mentorship, a must. You have to have those rules. For a challenge, you might be a little bit more loose. That was weird. I don't know what just happened. You might be a little bit more loose on that, but yeah, like the trading plan is so key. So key. I was thinking the other day, because I took a loss Friday and I was just like giving myself a lot of pep talk. And I was thinking about like Steph Curry, for example. Steph Curry practices a lot. For us, that's back testing. Got to do your back testing. When he come up to court, right, he's looking for an advantage to take a shot, right? He's looking for a pick. A pick means somebody comes and blocks your man. So if this is Steph Curry right here, if you blocking Steph Curry, you trying to catch him, somebody else gonna come and get him out of the way. And now somebody else is checking Steph Curry. And now he's like, I got an advantage. This person right here can't check me. So now I can either take him to the hole or I can juke him real quick, get some space and take my shot. We need to be looking for those advantages in the market, right? So sometime like the trade that I lost on last week was me trading in the middle of a big trap. It looked like a cool pullback and then might be a retest and go up, but it's literally in the middle of a trap. What are we doing? We don't have an advantage right there. We don't know if it's gonna go up or go down. So it was a weird trade to be in. Like this right here. So we probably about to take this profit and get up out of here. So anyway, I just was thinking about that, like really making sure we can find those advantages before trading.
Okay. And I'm glad that you said taking advantage of that.
I think 98.
Because one, we really do. I have been jumping into trades without really blending with the trend. Like you just said, jumping into trades during consolidation.
Right. Yep.
I blew my account last week doing that. Like, wait a minute. What are you doing? You have all this software. What are you doing? What are you doing?
For real. That's the biggest thing for me too, honestly, is the software. Use the tools.
Yes.
Because like you said, mentally, you try to do a lot of this and it's harder to remember and calculate every single thing. Like you're gonna forget something. Whereas literally, I program this thing to catch all of those things. That's the whole point of it, is to catch all of it quicker than we can. So we got to go through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 steps that could take 10, 15 minutes. Whereas the software, this green dot is telling me I see something. It's just a green dot, but it's literally 100, 200, 300 lines of code.
Right.
That's telling us why we should be getting it right here.
It's there for a reason. Use it.
Use it.
Use it. So yeah, when I jump back in, I'm only focusing on signals. I'm not doing Greg's way. I'm not doing anything crazy.
Yo,
Nothing crazy.
this is US 30. I love it. I love it. Me too. That was part of my pep talk as well on Friday. Was like, yo, trust it. I had to tell myself I had to have a real good even during the challenge. I know this is a challenge, I had to have a real good conversation with myself and say that I'm not smarter than T.Bot. I'm not. I'm not. Like, yes, I'm the creator, right? And I'm not that I'm not smarter, I'm not better. I'm smarter, I'm not better. T.Bot is more efficient because it literally can move like this. You know what I'm saying? Like
and you're constantly adding to it.
Yes.
So just because you see something doesn't mean that he hasn't. Well, the system hasn't seen it yet, or that the system isn't right in what it's showing you.
Right.
But you just like, no, this is real time. Like, no, I've already done all this.
I've already done.
It's here right now.
T.Bot is looking at higher time frames. It's looking at a couple different indicators. It's looking at the moving averages. It's looking at the time of day. Yeah. It's just like, it's very important to follow that. And sometimes, yeah, we do see stuff, but the market is full of tricks. So if you don't zoom out, you might not notice something. So it's that combination. We work hand in hand. We got us Kobe and Shaq. Shaq could not win those rings by himself. He needed Kobe. Kobe couldn't win those rings by himself. He needed Shaq. So it's definitely that team effort. You just trying to go ahead willy-nilly and you just on this chart with nothing on it. You just,
I'm going, I got this. No. No. No, it's a 50-50 chance.
For real. All right, I just during this whole little pep talk, I just went crazy. I did just bet those 24 lots.
Yeah, I saw that. I saw that. Thank you, Cole. It's good to be on cam. It's good to be seen.
Yo.
Peace. And we are up.
Yeah, I'm trying to break back even. Let's go. T.Bot though, right? That's a signal.
Listen,
that's literally a signal telling us what to do.
And it's working.
Let's go. Might get out of here real soon and just like break even for the day. But yeah, it's looking like, I'm telling you, like the time is getting so close. I really want to start getting the tribe ready for this fun mentorship. And also like if we're gonna do we will do the challenge for them as well. And that's November 1st is right around the corner.
Next week.
Yeah, next week. So I'm also getting this is just a moment of transparency, honestly, with everybody. I like this challenge. And I want to keep it going. It's just, I wanted to do it the full October 1st to October 31st. That was supposed to be the 30 days. It feels weird with this leaking into halfway through November. Because
I knew a butt was coming in. We've been cousins my whole entire life. So I know when the structure of the symptoms is about
yeah, and I feel it right now. I'm like, yo, it's the end of the month. We should be ending this challenge. Yeah. But we started it late, right? We started it late, and now it feels like it's dragging into something that it shouldn't be. We about to launch some dope stuff, and we got a birthday party coming up. So I'm feeling just like this should have been ended so we can start our next challenge. And so I'm trying not to shoot, where you going?
You also got to think too, though, we don't trade on Sunday, Monday, or Friday.
Yeah.
So cutting it down to 3 days is tough. Especially
to do a challenge.
Yeah, especially when you already have a certain time block that you have to be in and out.
Yeah. So it's not really a 30-day challenge. I was thinking about that too. I was like, yo, this is I think it was like a 12-day challenge. It was like 3, 6, 9, 12. Yeah. It's only 12. We only got 12 real days. So that's why I try to fit in some trades on Friday or Monday, but that's out of our comfort zone. That's really out of our comfort zone. And in those days, we really traded without T.Bot because a lot of times we don't send signals on those days.
That's when you really gamble.
That's when you really gamble. That's when you're really going for it. But yeah, patience is definitely key. If you don't take a loss, you definitely won't learn for the future. Amen. See what the challenge is right now. We up to 99,400, but we up 1,300, y'all. Okay. Okay. And that's the thing too, when you trust the system, because honestly, like if we'd have just traded T-Dot by signals, we'd have passed the challenge. We'd have passed the challenge, right? But also it's the time of day. So sometimes T-Dot bot not sending signals at 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 7 o'clock when we're doing this challenge. So it's been hard too. If we would have just followed those signals, then we would have passed the challenge. Because I've been looking at some of these numbers.
That 1-7. That 1-7 alone.
Oh, that 1-7 alone. I was missed right here. This is the bounce. Yeah, this is 43 pips.
See, yeah, this is the website that I showed you yesterday.
Mhm.
This is supposed to be on.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah, we on it
that's why I didn't send it. So, we would have threw all of this
for
on.
real. We gonna get there. We gonna get there. Just the bounce alone. These are signals. 70 numbers. So signals over the last 10 days for Auto Trader. I mean for the bounce, Trap House bounce has been 71%. 240.
Talk about
Woo.
That's it.
Nice. But then the other one put a breakout. So
Let me get it to you. It's been
66.6%, 76 pips, 10 for 15. That's okay. So it's doing good. Come on. Oh,
Shout out to Control.
ooh. For real. What am I leaning towards? Is this market gonna keep trending? Entry point here. Okay, so our entry down here, we're way above that entry point, which goes down here. What's this? Oh, you're changing my stop. What's this? Change my stop loss. Stop loss up. Okay. I ain't even got no stop loss on, so like, what you talking about? So that was one entry point right here. Oh, it's pushing up heavy. We up 1,600, 17, 18,
888.
888. Woo. Equity is 100,000. Oof. Might take this 1,000 one out. See what that candle do. It's pumping, it's pushing, like maybe this is what we've been waiting for. You can close most of this trade out. That's what we could do. We could close out like 21 lots, keep 3 open. Close 22. I'm just feeling that good. Let's take most of it out. All right, quick raffle. This is real random right here. So check this out. This is the Stay Dangerous hoodie. And then Cuz got on the Breakout the Trap. If you go to the website right now and buy that Breakout the Trap, I'll do a one-on-one call with you. One-on-one call with you. You go and get that Breakout the Trap. All right.
I usually look at my screen when you do stuff like this. So I'm actually here. What?
Yeah, this is just a quick random, like we ain't even gonna promote this at all.
Oh man. Listen, you
One-on-one, we can do analysis, we can look at these charts together. Okay. Oh, sure, I forgot to take that one. Do that. So, all right, we can do that. All right, cool. Boom, boom, boom. I think, is that done? Is it done pumping, y'all? What y'all think? Oh, that's a nice wait. Let's see if this come back green. This is only 1 minute. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Cool, I love you.
Cole said, your face took me all the way up.
Yeah.
Man, Cole, you know my facial expression is I can't. I don't have a poker face. I do not have a poker face at all.
Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, we didn't close that one out. That was a nice wick. Let's go. Yeah, it's pumping.
That's tough. And Bobby just said US 30.
Bobby in the same trade. Let's go.
Said it played out perfectly 1 for 6.
I wonder what setup he was looking at.
I've been killing
It
it.
broke out of that. Ooh, it might have been this because it broke out that trap. Retest went right back up. Let me see. Oh no, he was in something else. I don't know where his stop loss is at. 1 to 6. Unless he been in since last night, probably since over here. I don't know. Still going though. All right, y'all, I'm gonna have to take this profit and go. Okay. All right, we just gotta our order. Superior Allah, man. Send me a message on DM. Send me a DM so we can jump on that one-on-one call. Much appreciated, my brother.
Thank you.
Yeah, let's get you right. Let's jump on these charts. And I can't wait to see you rocking that breakout the trap. I'm about to order me a new one too, because I went looking, digging. I don't know where mine's is at. And I had two. I had two. Oh, Rudy went in too. Rudy got one too.
Yo, shout out to Rudy, man. Rudy been killing it.
Oh, yeah. Rudy jumped in there too.
Rudy been
Let's
killing
go.
it.
I'm doing one more, y'all. One more. That's it. I can't do can't do 20 more. I can't do 20 one-on-ones. One more. Next person by it. You locked in too.
Top 3?
Top 3. Let's go. See that? Yo, Auto Trader ain't playing. Auto Trader not playing. Look at this. It's up 153 pips on EU right now.
All right, November 1st.
Ooh, wee.
November 1st.
All right, let me see. Is this? I'm about to jump out of here, y'all, just because me and Coach Greg gotta have a call. I mean, a little talk. We ain't calling a day.
Cole said no free trial. One-on-one, you have to be a member.
Yeah, really have to be a member. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I close most of those trades out. I'm gonna still let them ride. So I'm gonna just I'm gonna put a stop loss on these trades. See if I can find a good stop loss area. Mm-hmm. 32, 142. Oh, what happened? I just wanted to edit it. Oh. All right, I feel way better now.
Congratulations.
Yeah, congrats. Feel way better. Just yeah, it's gonna have to be. It's that time, y'all. We only got a couple weeks left, if that. And NFP week is coming. That's a big candle. Let's just take everything we can get and go. Cool. We almost had break even. Let me get my other trade out in a small account. All right, cool. Congrats to everybody who was trading today. Everybody who asked questions today. Appreciate y'all. Oh, wait, Superior says opening price relevant in the Forex market. Yeah, for sure. I mean, I'm not gonna say it's like a big thing, but it depends on how the market moves. So, for example, if opening price, like I won't even, because you got to remember, like, which open you talking about? You talking about Asian Open? Because if that's the case, then it's not really that big of a deal. Asian Open is somewhere over here. Here we go, 5 o'clock. So it's not big deal. Let me see if we can see how many times it touched the open price. Yeah, found some rejection right around here. What time was that at? 4 o'clock. But then again, around 7 o'clock, broke through it, retested it. So yeah, it seemed pretty important today. I'll tell you that. All right, this thing just gonna keep on going. So hopefully we can stay in this trade. Hopefully it just keep on riding up, taking our profits. I'm gonna check back. I took it off. Yeah, I said forget it. Yeah, forget it. Yeah, and I gotta go do some. Yeah, it was that candle right here. So yeah, just take this to go. All right, so we're not riding profits. Cool. But that was good. What did UJ ended up doing? Because remember, we took our losses short, but what did it end up doing? Oh, consolidating more. Let me see. Our entry point was here. It went all the way up here, came back down.
It's playing around.
It's playing around. So yeah, I'm glad we cut our losses short. So we ain't even got to be sitting here feeling weird about that. It's getting dark gray clouds again. Dang, my ultimate setup might be coming though. It might really be ready to bounce. But we got to go. But yeah, thank y'all. Appreciate it again, everybody who joined in on this joint. And tomorrow we back live again, okay? Cool. And Rudy and Superior, I think y'all was the only two who hit me up. I'll check and make sure. Just send me a DM on Slack and I'll get back to y'all today so we can schedule something and get on the same page. I appreciate y'all and all love y'all. See y'all tomorrow. Peace.